in the given figure, PQ is parallel to ST. See this, PQ is parallel to ST. AB is a straight line. This AB is a straight line. Find angle BST. This BST we have to find out. BST. See, PQ parallel to ST. So what happens? These two angles PQS and QST, PQS and QST, they become alternate angles. Now what are alternate angles? Here, these are alternate angles. They form the Z shape. They are also called as alternate interior angles because there is also something called as alternate exterior angles. But this generally doesn't occur, means come in our practice. Alternate interior angles is a regular practice. So we call it alternate angles in simple terms. Now how do we define alternate angles? How do we find out in exams? Here, two lines should be parallel and these should form Z shape, Z, right? So then they are alternate. Similarly, there are various types of angles also, alternate and interior angles, same side interior. We in simple terms we call them interior only. Their total is always 180. Then alternate exterior, they are not much in use. Same side exterior angles, not much in use. But they are totally supplementary, means 180 degrees. Important is corresponding angle. See this, same side of the line, then they are equal. So three angles majorly, corresponding, interior and alternate. So PQS equals to QST, alternate angles. But both are 98 degrees because PQS is 98. So QST will be 98. So but what is QST now? QST is there are two adjacent angles for QST. QSA plus AST. So QSA plus AST. QSA is what? 28. Write 28 in place of QSA and AST as it is. 28 plus AST equals to 98. So AST equals to what? Take 28 on this side. 98 minus 28, 70. So AST equals to 70. Now you have got AST. But what do you want? You want BST. Now what about BST? AB is a straight line, right? So sum of all the angles on AB will be 180, right? Because that's a straight angle, or you call it supplementary. So AST plus BST, AST plus BST equals to 180 degrees, right? The total of these two angles. But you know AST now, AST is 70. So BST equals to 180 minus 70, that is 110. So BST becomes 110. See here, this slide is very much important for you guys. It is useful for you throughout your life because these angles you will face even in other competitive exams. So remember these things: alternate interior angles Z shaped, same side interior angles 180 degrees total, alternate exterior angles. These exterior means they are alternate, they form Z shape but on the opposite side. So this blue side, same side exterior angles, these ones, and corresponding angles, these pink ones, they are always equal. Same side exterior, total supplementary, means 180 degrees. Alternate exterior equal. Same side interior supplementary. Alternate interior equal. So remember these 5-6 angles very clearly.